I've left the guitar overnight. I've given it 2 coats of grain fill. I removed any excess about 20 minutes after I first put it on with a rag, and now we've just got some excess here to sand away. So when you're sanding grain fill, it's fairly simple, but all we really want to do is just sand down to the surface of the timber. So the idea of it is just to remove anything that's sitting on the surface and leave the product that's filled the pores. So to do that, I'd recommend starting with 120 grit paper, working up to maybe 180 and then up to about 220. It's unnecessary really to go any higher than that at this stage, and definitely don't skip your grades of paper either. So what I'll do is just sand away a section in this lower horn, and I'll work my way through the grades, and then I'll show the section that I've sanded and just show how it should look. Okay, so if I bring the camera down for a closer view, with the pores or the heavy grain and the heavy lines in the timber are now filled with the product, but we've sanded away the surface, the excess.